If your car's looking dusty, full of crumbs, pet hair everywhere, or just not shining the way it deserves, today we're fixing that. I'm sharing the 15 must-have car cleaning gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. These aren't just random picks. They're top-rated bestseller tools that thousands of car owners swear by for making detailing easier, faster, and way more satisfying. From interior dust magnets to exterior shine restorers, whether you're a beginner or a weekend detailer, these will level up your game. All direct Amazon links with current prices and deals are in the description below. Let's get started and transform your ride. Number 1. Car Cleaning Gel. Dominating Amazon's detailing bestsellers year after year. Car cleaning gel, like Polidiki, Tycarvi, or similar top-rated putty/slime options. This reusable, stretchy goo effortlessly grabs dust, crumbs, pet hair, and fine debris from air vents, cup holders, dashboard seams, console cracks, and every tight, hard-to-reach spot. It leaves zero sticky residue behind, so no extra vacuuming is needed in those tricky areas. If you're new to detailing or just want instant wow results without hassle, this is hands down the one to grab first. It's a game changer for keeping your interior spotless and fresh. Number 2. Compressed air duster dust buildup in vents, dash electronics, speakers, or tiny crevices driving you crazy. No need for physical contact or dealing with messy, wasteful canned residue. It features multiple precision nozzles for targeted blasts, extended battery life for multiple sessions, and an eco-friendly rechargeable design that beats disposables every time. Users absolutely adore the strong, consistent airflow, easy portability for car use, and how it tackles everything from car interiors to home keyboards or computer fans effortlessly, making precision cleaning feel modern, efficient, and surprisingly fun. Number 3. Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. The absolute backbone of any serious car care routine, premium microfiber cleaning cloths like High GSMU Sanux packs or Amazon Basics multi-packs. These ultra-absorbent 300 to 400 plus GSM fabrics are completely lint-free and streak-free, making them safe for drying after washes, wiping down interiors, buffing polish residue, or adding that final mirror shine to paint and glass. They won't scratch delicate surfaces or shed fibers even after heavy, repeated use. Fully machine washable hundreds of times while staying soft and super effective, no loss in performance over time. Number 4. Detailing Brush. Set a complete go-to kit that no detailer should be without. Detailing brush set featuring angled, round, and flat heads across multiple firmness levels for tackling grills, lug nuts, badges, wheel spokes, emblems, trim pieces, or delicate interior accents. Non-scratch, chemical-resistant bristles handle dry dusting or wet cleaning with all-purpose cleaners, APCs, safely and effectively. They reach and revive those truly inaccessible areas without causing any damage. These make every hard-to-reach spot look professionally clean without any hassle or frustration, elevating your whole detailing game. Number 5. Car Duster. For fast, no-water dust removal between full washes, this extendable car duster truly excels and saves so much time. Soft synthetic or microfiber fibers gently lift dust, pollen, light dirt, and everyday environmental fallout from paint, glass, trim, and wheels without leaving a single scratch. The telescoping handle easily reaches high roofs, spoilers, mirrors, or lower panels, then collapses compactly for easy trunk storage. No soap, water, or rinsing required. Ideal for garage-kept cars, dry climates, or those quick daily touch-ups when you want to keep things looking fresh. Perfect low-commitment tool for busy owners who still want their ride presentable at all times. Number 6. Foam Cannon. Bring professional-grade washing straight to your driveway with a foam cannon. Think Chemical Guy's Torque style or highly rated Astro AI versions. It connects seamlessly to your pressure washer, or even a hose adapter, to generate thick, snow-like foam that clings heavily to paint, loosening embedded dirt, bugs, bird droppings, and road contaminants safely without harsh scrubbing. Let it dwell for just 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off, minimal effort required, and it dramatically lowers swirl risks compared to traditional washing. Adjustable nozzles let you fine-tune foam thickness for different jobs. It's incredibly satisfying to watch that thick blanket of suds form and work its magic. Number 7. Cordless Buffer Polisher. Unlock that deep, glassy showroom shine without the hassle of dragging cords everywhere. This lightweight cordless buffer polisher makes polishing simple, effective, and truly enjoyable. Variable speed controls, safe orbital action to prevent holograms or burn marks, and included foam pads handle everything from wax application to light swirl removal or oxidation polishing with ease. Their battery runtime of 1 to 2 hours covers full vehicles or quick spot touch-ups without recharging mid-job. Beginner-friendly ergonomics with excellent balance. It's excellent for applying sealants, ceramic toppers, or reviving faded paint back to life. Owners love the complete freedom of movement and impressive pro-level results with very little learning curve. Number 8, Chenille Wash Mitt-Paint Protection during washing truly begins here with this ultra-plush Chenille Wash mitt. Long, thick chenille strands trap massive volumes of suds while holding dirt deep in the fibers instead of dragging it across your clear coat like flat sponges often do. This drastically reduces swirl marks and micro scratches for a smoother, more durable shine that lasts longer. Pairs beautifully with the 2-bucket washing method and pH-balanced car soaps for optimal safety. Professional detailers favor chenille over traditional mitts for its gentle yet powerful cleaning action. Amazon feedback consistently calls it the top choice for safe, high-quality exterior washes that truly preserve your paint job for years. Number 9, Extendable Windshield Cleaner. Struggling with unreachable glass on bigger vehicles like SUVs or trucks? This extendable windshield cleaner reaches it all effortlessly. Telescoping pole stretches up to 4 to 5 feet, featuring a smart dual-head setup. Squeegee blade for flawless water wipe-off, plus microfiber scrubber for stubborn sap, bird droppings, salt haze, or winter grime buildup. Works smoothly inside, avoids annoying mirror smudges, and outside. No backstrain or missed corners ever. Reusable, washable pads keep long-term costs low and eco-friendly. Perfect for seasonal deep cleans, post-rain refreshes, or daily safety checks to improve visibility. Users consistently praise the better night driving view, ease on tall cars, and streak-free performance every single use. Makes glass care feel effortless, thorough, and surprisingly quick. Number 10. Drill Brush Attachment Set. Hack your cordless drill into a heavy-duty detailing powerhouse with this attachment set. Includes soft, medium, and stiff nylon brushes in flat dome and pointed profiles. Perfect for aggressive yet safe scrubbing on tires, wheel wells, carpet stains, upholstery spills, or even engine bay grime. The drill's raw power does the tough lifting so you apply minimal pressure, saving huge amounts of time and effort on caked brake dust, mud, or road salt buildup. Non-scratch bristles rinse clean easily and hold up beautifully over repeated jobs. Detailers describe it as feeling almost unfair because the results come so fast and thorough. Number 11, Microfiber Applicator Pads. Perfect. Even product application separates amateur results from pro-level finishes. These microfiber applicator pads make it effortless every time. Lint-free, dense waffle or hex weave design holds just the right amount of wax, ceramic spray, tire dressing, or leather conditioner, spreading it evenly in thin, uniform layers without wasting expensive material or causing ugly streaks. Super soft, grippy texture gives great control, and they're fully machine washable for hundreds of uses without degrading. A massive step up from old rags or sponges. Essential if you want your car's protection layers and shine to last longer and look absolutely flawless. Number 12. Detail Brush Kit. Hard to reach spots collect dust and grime faster than you'd think. And this detail brush kit masters them all with ease. Usually a set of 5 to 10 brushes with different sizes, shapes like angled, round, or flat. And in varying bristle softness to safely clean air vents, dashboard seams, console buttons, leather stitching details, emblems, badges, and speaker grills. Non-scratch, synthetic, or soft bristles resist chemicals. Use them dry to lift loose dust or paired with interior cleaners for deeper, more thorough penetration. Built tough for long-term use, they make professional-grade interior detailing accessible at home without risking any surface damage. Number 13, Electric Spin Scrubber. Tired of arm-burning manual scrubbing that leaves you sore? This battery-powered electric spin scrubber takes over the hard work completely and efficiently. High RPM spinning action comes with interchangeable heads, soft pads for gentle paint or interior surfaces, stiff bristles for blasting brake dust off wheels, tires, door sills, rocker panels, and floor mats. Fully waterproof for soapy use, USB rechargeable with plenty of juice for 2 to 3 full car sessions per charge. Ergonomic grip reduces strain during extended detailing sessions, and it powers through embedded grime like mud, salt, or road tear incredibly fast. Detailers call it a true lifesaver that slashes cleaning time in half on stubborn areas. Highly rated for raw power, solid build quality, and all-around versatility, feels like bringing a mini electric pressure washer right into your garage without any hassle or extra mess. Warrant number 14. Glass Cleaning Tool. Nothing ruins a smooth, enjoyable drive like streaky, hazy windows. This extendable glass cleaning tool solves it in seconds flat. The adjustable telescoping handle extends to reach high windshields, rear glass on SUVs, or tall trucks without needing a ladder or uncomfortable stretching. Dual-sided head combines a sharp squeegee for perfect water removal with a soft scrubber pad that tackles tough buildup like bugs, fingerprints, smoke residue, road film, or even light frost. Thick, machine-washable microfiber pads ensure streak-free clarity both inside and out. No more newspaper smudges or paper towel lint left behind. ONG eliminates awkward angles and delivers crystal-clear results with almost no effort. Such a simple tool with massive everyday value and satisfaction. Number 15. Car Vacuum Kit. Every car needs a reliable vacuum for those inevitable everyday messes, and this portable car vacuum kit stands out big time as a must-have. Cordless, lightweight design with powerful suction pulls out crumbs from seats, beach sand trapped deep in carpets, stubborn pet hair that clings everywhere, and tiny debris hiding in seat cracks or under mats. It includes essential attachments like a narrow crevice tool for tight gaps between seats, a soft brush for delicate dashboards, and often a blower mode to dislodge dust from vents first before vacuuming. It's quiet for home or garage use, and it handles family chaos or pet messes daily with ease. Turns routine cleanups into something quick, satisfying, and actually enjoyable every single time. That wraps up our list of the 15 must-have car cleaning gadgets on Amazon, from super effective interior cleaners to pro-level exterior shine tools built for easy, swirl-free detailing. If you're tired of dusty interiors, scratched paint, or spending hours on manual scrubbing, or just want to keep your ride looking showroom fresh without hassle, there's a perfect gadget here for you. Let us know in the comments which of these car cleaning gadgets you'd grab first, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car care tips, gadget reviews, and detailing buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your ride shining and spotless all year long.